Localhost is fine, but when you want to impress the world and share your work, you need to deploy your project online. Hi, in this video we'll see how to deploy your project for free on Vercel and enable continuous delivery. Let me explain to you quickly how it works. You have a repository with GitHub, GitLab in a popular framework, Vue, React, Next, Angular, you name it. You choose the branch you want to be deployed, by default it's main, then every time the code on your branch is updated, the build script will be run and the build folder will be deployed to the cloud. To deploy your project on Vercel, you need a GitHub repository. We'll use the one from my 3JS character customizer tutorial. Don't forget to hit the start button, it's very important. Then hit fork. It will create a copy of the repository on your own account. Then go to Vercel, hit add new project, select the repository you want to deploy, then click on import. Vercel is very smart and will automatically detect your framework, your build commands and output directory, but feel free to edit them if you need custom configuration. When you're ready, hit deploy. Now the build box is showing the build logs in real time. Once it's done, you can click on the thumbnail to open automatic URL it generated for you. Of course, you can customize it and buy a custom domain if you want. Now our app is deployed and we can share the link to the world. But before, let's check if the CICD works by modifying our project. Let's get back to GitHub, edit the main.js. We're using maintained component library, so let's copy their example to change the primary color. Save and commit. Please on real project create branches and make pull requests. Let's go to Vercel to check if the update has been triggered. It seems so. Reload your page and voila, your React with Fiber project is now online and you can iterate on it peacefully. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and me in my content creation journey. If you want to dive deeper in 3JS and React with Fiber, I recommend you to watch the other tutorials on this channel and to subscribe to not miss the upcoming ones. Thanks again, bye bye.